Hello, now I am going to talk about GT06 vehicle GPS tracking device. It is multifunction vehicle GPS tracker. It has so many features. You can see those features on this box. It has two-way calling, cut oil and circuit, real-time tracking, power off alarm, voice surveillance, SOS alarm, and so many other features. You can buy this kind of GPS tracker around $30 from online stores. This is what it looks like. Now I am going to open. This is the GPS tracker. See what's in the box. This is mic. You can listen to your vehicle with this mic. This is relay. It used to cut oil of your vehicle. This is SOS button. And this is the open door alarm wire. And this one is the main power code for ACC and relay. You need SIM to insert into this GPS tracker. You have to save this SIM number in your phone as a phone contact. Save this SIM number before installing into the GPS tracker. SIM number is 1993642 Save this number in your phone as a contact. Now I am going to save this SIM number as my GPS. You need this number to configure your GPS tracker by sending SMS command. So it is important to save this SIM number before installing into the GPS tracker. I am going to install the SIM into this GPS tracker. Properly install the GPS tracker SIM into the GPS tracker. This is how to install. You can see this tiny switch here. It is on off switch. This is the switch. You need a small tool to turn on the switch. You have to slide the switch in this way to turn on. Now I am going to turn on the switch. Don't press it down. Slide the switch forward. After switching on the device, you can see these light indicators. They are blinking. Or there are 3 lights. All 3 lights should be flash. You can see red, green and blue light. After installing the SIM, close the lid and you will get the user manual. This is the user manual. You can refer to this user manual to install your device correctly. and you can find SMS command instruction. Follow this instruction, then you can configure your device. You can use this GPS tracker for motorcycle, car, jeep, bus, lorry, or any kind of vehicle or machine. Tracking device should be installed in the hidden places under front windshield, the front instrument panel, and under the back windshield. If you wish to install GPS tracker to motorcycle or lorry, you can install in these locations as this picture describes. The GPS tracker must be installed by the professional auto electrician. This is the GPS tracker, and this is the front side of the device. This is back side. When installing GPS tracker should be mounted horizontally. This way, horizontally, because the GPS antenna is mounted here. So front side of the GPS tracker should face toward the sky. This way, this should be face toward the sky. Don't install it this way or this way or this way. Front of the GPS should always face towards the sky. So mount the device always horizontally, this way. When mounting the GPS tracker, don't mount it under the dashboard, because GPS signal will be weak. So when mounting the GPS tracker, mount it horizontally in the highest hidden place of the dashboard as much as possible. Most recommended place is here. You can mount it horizontally in the instrument panel.